All right, so if you spent the last few minutes on YouTube looking at all the different business ideas out there, you've probably had a load of different advice, haven't you? Like start dropshipping, learn Forex, give affiliate marketing a go, or build a community. Well, guess what? None of those ideas are ever going to allow you to actually build a business that's sustainable, allows you to generate profits month on month, and creates an asset that one day you can actually sell. And depressingly, with most of those ideas they're being done by whiz kids that are spending up to 20 hours a day hustling on their computers, mastering the art, meaning that you're being out competed from the moment that you start. Meanwhile, we've got people like Paul, George, and Alex that are creating their own brands and scaling them to 6 figures and beyond. All of those guys and more are absolutely crushing it right now because of one main reason. They've blocked out the noise of all of these different side hustles and they've focused on the most real opportunity right now, which is building an e-commerce brand and selling their own products on platforms like Shopify, TikTok, and Amazon. Building your own e-commerce brand is honestly the most no-brainer opportunity right now because it is feeding what is an insane amount of demand. More and more people, literally every single week, are shopping online, and that growth has got no signs of stopping. Now, if you're thinking, Jesus Christ, Janson, this sounds really hard, do not worry, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact framework that we teach our members within Honest Brands. Everything that you need to know, how to find a product idea, how to source it, how to actually launch it, and how to start printing and creating a real business asset that you can one day sell. Don't sleep on this one, guys, because trust me, this is the framework to follow if you want to learn how to build and scale your own brand fast in 2026. All right, so the first step that you're going to want to take when you are building your killer ecom brand is to obviously find the right product. Now, not every product is suitable to sell online. Some just are way too bulky. Some are in incredibly saturated niches, and some don't make any profit whatsoever. So the general approach that we like to teach our members is to first find a product that has a large addressable market, i.e. lots of people that are very likely to want to buy. Secondly, you're going to want something that is ideally quite small and cheap to ship and store. And thirdly, as a little Brucey bonus, if you can find a product that is a consumable, so people keep coming back to buy more and more when the initial order has sold out, that is even better. The more that you can find products that do that, the longer your lifetime value of your customer and the more profitable you're going to be. So examples of those type of products could be a supplement to help people perform in the gym. It could be some sort of consumable for their pet to help keep them in good shape, or it could just be something as bog standard, excuse the pun, as toilet roll. Whatever it is though that you decide to focus on, you are going to need to do two things in order to mitigate the risk of anything going wrong. The first is to actually verify that demand for your type of product exists. So we just spoke about making sure that there's an addressable market, but for the specific product that you're going to be selling, you need to make sure that there's an audience that's available and willing to buy. So our favorite ways to check and verify that are to head on to a website called Calodata or Calodata, which will show you what videos and products are currently going viral on TikTok. Now, this is a really good way at understanding whether the product that you found is likely to convert if you are to actually list the product on TikTok and get affiliates or creators to promote your product too. So one of these strategies that we actually like to come up with within Honest Brands, or that we like to teach, is we like to say to our members, before you even have the product idea at all, head on to Calodata and look at the US or the UK and see what products are currently going viral. And if those products are already going viral, then you can kind of take a step back and think, is there anything that I can do with this product to make it better, which I can then start selling myself? Another method is to head onto Amazon and to run a tool called Helium 10, and that will show you the amount of sales demand that your particular niche has on the Amazon platform. Now, this may differ quite a lot to what you see on TikTok, because with Amazon, people are shopping there with intent, so they are actively searching for your potential product that you're about to sell. Whereas on TikTok, you are using creators to effectively create demand. So the two results may differ, but ultimately, as long as you see some form of demand on either of those platforms, that definitely mitigates the risk and it acts as a nice tick in your product criteria checklist. The second essential thing that you need to make sure that you're doing with your chosen product is actually adding your own twist. And whether that is having better branding, introducing a new ingredient, changing your packaging, improving the functionality, whatever, it doesn't matter. You can't just copy and paste a product and expect to have the same amount of success. Now, one really good way to spot opportunities, ways to differentiate, is using Helium 10 or Amazon's like predictive search tool to see what people are actually searching for when it comes to your product niche. So we can see examples on the screen here. And honestly, this took like 20 seconds to do. Alternatively, you can look in different markets to where you're currently selling to see what trends and what sort of preferences and tastes are occurring over there, and then look to bring them to your home market as your way of putting a nice little twist on your offer. And if you're wondering whether this method actually works, trust me, we have rinsed and repeated it so many times I've lost count. Look at all of these results here. These are from our members that are literally looking at products that have existing demand, adding their own spin on it and seeing success. All right, so the second part of the framework is to actually find reliable manufacturers. And this is where so many people trip up. They find the best ever looking product and then they skip this step and they just go with the first supplier that they come across who is low quality, unreliable, and basically results in the downfall of their brand before they've even got a chance to get started. If you're going to be selling consumables, then my top tip would be to avoid websites like Alibaba, where you will typically find Chinese manufacturers. And the reason for that is that a lot of these guys, they're little fibbers, and they will tell you that your product contains a certain amount of ingredient or it has a certain amount of quality. And the reality is that it might do for the first order, but for second, third, fourth orders, it doesn't. So what we recommend is that you use the exact search like framework that I've just got on the screen now on Google to find local manufacturers that are going to be able to supply you with a quality product. Now, for anything outside of consumables, then our go-to website would actually be Alibaba, which is where you're going to find Chinese manufacturers that can honestly do pretty much anything you like with your product in terms of the packaging and the way it looks, and they can supply it for a much more attractive rate than most of the time local manufacturers can. Now, before you get all excited and rush off to Alibaba to see what's available on there, just hold your horses, because there's one key thing that you need to make sure that you're doing, and that is contacting suppliers that have actually proven that they're legit. Again, this is another huge mistake that people make. They go onto Alibaba, they search for the product that they want manufacturing, and then they message the dodgiest suppliers available because they're the cheapest. So my general rule of thumb is never message a supplier that is the cheapest on the website, and always make sure that you tick the verified badge filter, because it is those guys that have actually proven to Alibaba that they are real factories that can supply exactly what they're saying they can. And here's another top tip from me: when you're messaging the suppliers, make sure that you give off the impression that you are from a decently sized company and that you've got experience, because if they sniff that you are a beginner, they are going to take you to town. So make sure that you ask for a quotation based on a variable number of units, ideally like 500, 5,000. Give the impression that you have a strict quality control procedure and just make it seem like you know exactly what you're doing. And if you want a cheeky little way to be able to do that without giving the game away, just use ChatGPT. It does such a good job at helping you understand what type of questions you want to be asking and how to come across like an absolute pro. Or alternatively, you can join Honest Brands and we'll give you the proven template that we've used again and again. All right, so step 3 is building a brand that converts. We're not just going to be selling a product with no branding on it that comes in cheap white packaging. We want to actually give the customer the impression that we are an amazing brand so that they come back, buy more and more, so that they trust what we're selling, and importantly, so that they remember us and recommend us to their friends. Now, again, this isn't 2015 anymore, it's 2026, and you need to make sure that you have some premium branding. And what better way to start than with ChatGPT or Nano Banana? Both of those tools are insanely powerful and can honestly make you come up with a brand that looks like it's been designed by a world-class team in about 10 minutes. Look at this branding here that I made for an imaginary product, and I'm not kidding when I say that that took me about 15 minutes. So the way that you're going to do that is, firstly, you are going to say to ChatGPT that you're looking for help with coming up with a brand, and you need to give it some initial inputs that it can start to work with. So upload some images of other brands that you like, graphic, give it some idea on like color schemes, and also tell it what type of product it is that you're going to be selling. And if you can do that, trust me, it's then going to start giving you ideas. And then you just say back to it, I now want you to help me come up with a brand for this specific product. Ask me whatever other questions you need to understand how best to make a brand that's going to convert, and see what happens. This is exactly what I did to make this brand here. Now, having a powerful looking brand is without a doubt also going to make or break your success, just like having a good product and just like having a good supplier. So when you have got your initial idea from the like AI tool that you're using, whether it's Nano Banana or ChatGPT, make sure that you actually give it to a real designer that they can then kind of finesse and leverage, because even though AI is amazing, there are still little things that it will get wrong, particularly when it comes to like text on the product, which is especially important if you're going to be selling supplements or other type of consumables that have like regulatory like restrictions on them. Now, in terms of where to find the best designers that can really make sure that your AI generated brand converts like crazy, well, my number one recommendation would be Honest Brands. We've got 2 in-house designers that do this every single day for our members. Or alternatively, you can check out websites like Fiverr or Upwork, but just make sure that you actually read the designers' reviews carefully, because to be honest, there's a lot of people on there that don't really know what they're doing. All right, so the 4th step is to list your product on the main shopping platforms out there, with our picks being Amazon, TikTok Shop, and then having your own website store, ideally with Shopify. Now, the benefit of selling on Amazon is that you can use Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, which means that they will fulfill your orders for you, and they'll be able to do that for any order that you get across TikTok, Shopify, and of course, Amazon. And the rates are pretty good too. Now, of course, it's not essential to sell on all 3 platforms to have success, but doing that means that you're going to be way more diversified and not just relying on a single shopping channel, and you're going to be able to get your product seen by so many more customers. Now, what we suggest in order to properly kickstart your brand is to start with TikTok Shop. So you want to try and get as many people as possible, creators, to be promoting your product for you, which is going to help you get lots of eyeballs from new customers on your brand, on your Shopify store, and also on Amazon. And the beauty of doing that is that Amazon loves it when people refer customers to their website. So if you start with TikTok and you go viral there and you start to get shoppers to search for you on Amazon, they are going to freaking love that, and they're going to start to boost your what's called your search page position and put you on page 1 for lots of terms, meaning lots of profitable sales indeed. All right, so step 5 is scaling to the moon with your TikTok Shop creators. So I kind of referenced it in the previous stage, but your long-term goal really, if you want success on TikTok and Amazon, is to ensure that you are fueling a viral engine and getting lots of content pumped out about your brand and your products on TikTok, because what that is going to do is make your brand be seen by millions of people who will either purchase and look at your product on TikTok Shop, or if they don't trust TikTok, which happens a lot, make them search for you on Google and end up on your Shopify store or your Amazon store. Now, the benefit of that happening is that you're going to be getting lots of sales at a very high margin because you're not paying any advertising cost. If the product is purchased on TikTok, then you will typically pay between 10 and 15% in affiliate commission. But if shoppers end up going to Amazon or they end up going onto your Shopify store, again, because they don't trust TikTok or they have Prime, for example, then you don't pay that. And that means that you're not paying any advertising at all, and you're going to be getting some insanely profitable sales. Now, the one main challenge about this method is that it's quite hard to find good creators. And when you do find them, it's quite hard to find ones that will actually do more than one piece of content for you. So the strategy that we recommend at Honest Brands is to use our content creators community, Honest Creators. We've got over 1,000 creators that are trained in a single community. And whenever we get an Honest Brands member come in that wants to launch a product, we will literally put that product in front of all of them, tell them what to say, and basically let them get off to the races. And you know, the sweetest thing about TikTok at the moment, they're still in that early growth phase, which means that they are still allowing videos with no ad spend to go completely viral. Look at this one here. This is a video that I was doing for a brand owner, just filming it in my kitchen, talking about its features. That video got over 2 million views and generated over 25k for the brand. Just think, that was one video. And if you're able to get an absolute army of creators to do that on repeat for you, your brand is going to be getting taken to the moon. The sad truth though is that this opportunity on TikTok of going viral with no ad spend is not going to be around forever. It is eventually going to go the same way as Instagram, which is very much a pay to play platform, because they obviously need to make a profit. So if you are wanting to build your own brand, if you are wanting to use this TikTok platform to go viral, make sure you act quick on it before the opportunity disappears for good. All right, so that is our 5-step framework of how to build and scale your own profitable brand in 2026. Now, if you want to be handheld through this entire process, if you want to have one-to-one coaching and support, and if you want to have access to our Honest Creators TikTok shop community, make sure that you press the link in the description below. We have got options for people just getting started, and we've got options for existing brand owners that want to scale to the moon. Hopefully this video has cleared it up in your mind that building a brand is the opportunity to follow in 2026 if you're serious about building something that generates sustainable cash flows and actually results in an asset that you can one day sell. That is it for this video, guys. See you in the next.